Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. So in today's video, we're gonna check out a new budget-friendly product. It's a super budget earphones that cost less than 500 rupees. I did make a lot of videos on earphones under 1000 rupees on my channel, but most of you guys were asking me to make a video on earphones under 500 rupees. And well, I just had to do that. These are Soundone's new super budget earphones, and the best part about them is they also come with a built-in microphone. That is awesome, right? So the model of the earphones is Soundone 616. These budget earphones come in this sort of compact box packing. The box looks just like a book. I really like the design. Alright, let me just grab my knife and cut this out of packing. There we go. So here is the box packing of the earphones. Let me give you an overview on the box. So on the front side, you got the Soundone branding and a picture of the earphones over here. They come in different colors. I've got the blue color variant. Let's see what else is written at the back side. You've got the specs of these earphones. Let me show you. These earphones have a 10mm dynamic driver, the frequency response ranges from 15Hz to 24kHz, comes with a built-in microphone, the impedance is 16 ohms and has a cable length of around 1.2 meters. So these are all the details of the product. Okay, so how does this box open up? Oh, it says slide and open at the top over here. I guess you just need to push it like this. Yep, there you go. So that is how the box opens up. And looks like we've got some sort of pouch on the inside. Let me just take it out. So that's it, these are all the items we got in the box. You get a pouch with the earphones and a warranty card. Just make sure to check it out. So these budget earphones come nicely packed in this pouch. The quality of the carry case is good. You've got the Soundone branding over here and feels very lightweight in the hand. Let me open it up and show you the earphones. Oh, along with the earphones, you also get a packet of extra ear tips in different sizes. Let me just put that aside and show you the earphones. So this is how the Soundone 616 super budget earphones look like. They come in 3 different colors. We've got the blue color variant. These Soundone earphones have a single 10mm dynamic driver and the build quality also looks pretty good from my first impressions. Let me just give you guys a closer look at them and talk about the design and all of its features. The Soundone 616 have an ergonomic design and feel very lightweight in the hand. The build quality is good for the price, have a fancy look, and the quality of the earbuds is also nice. Talking about the cable, it's got a good quality cable which runs down to this inline remote control. The Soundone 616 only has a single multi-function button and a microphone beside that. There's nothing on the other side except the Soundone branding. So the cable runs down to this connecting point which leads to this L-shaped gold-plated 3.5mm jack. So that was our overview on the design. Now let me just put them on and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The 616 budget earphones are super lightweight and feel very comfortable to wear for long-term usage. They fit perfectly in my ears and do not fall off that easily. And the noise isolation was also decent. Talking about the audio, first of all guys, keep in mind that these are very budget-friendly earphones, so don't expect to get premium quality sound. But again, considering the price, they were actually offering pretty good quality sound. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and nice, and I could easily understand all the dialogues. The treble quality was also good. Coming to the bass was okay, but not that great. I felt the bass could have been a bit more punchy. On the overall, for the price what you're paying, you'll definitely be satisfied with them. The TRHD was less up to 80% volume level, beyond which you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output is also loud and satisfactory. The best part is these budget earphones also come with a built-in microphone, and the quality of the mic was decent during call conversations. Well, that was my video on these new 616 earphones from Soundone. They're pretty good earphones on a budget. The build quality is nice, are very comfortable to wear, offer good quality sound for the price, and also come with a microphone. The only thing I felt was if only they could have a little more bass, that would have been awesome. So that was it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.